Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I will be showing you how I made these freeform silicone Druzy insert for resin project. So let's start. And starting off with, I have Das air dry clay here, and I will be making a freeform shape, and you can make any shape you like, really up to you. So what I'm doing here is I am adding some height into my housing in which I will grow the crystals, just to make it a bit natural. So this is after a few days, and I made two of them. And but after it's fully dried up, I am using a wood glue and I'm brushing it inside all the way. So both are done, and now I will be adding the alum crystals that I have, the seeds, the alum crystal seeds that will help me grow the crystal. This is the one, and I will link it in the description if you want to buy it. So just pour in generously and they will attach themselves to the mold because of the glue, and the rest you can just remove. So these are the one that have been stick. So after around 1 day you need to wait that they have to be dried fully. And after that I have here some lukewarm water, and this is the water in which I have previously grown the crystal. So this is why the color is like that. It's slightly luke, and here I am adding the seed crystals to make the solution more concentrate. And after that you need to mix it thoroughly, that no alum powder or the crystal seeds, anything should not be seen. It should be crystal clear. So here you can see after a few minutes it's been all mixed, and at this point it's not hot, and I'm adding the crystal molds inside the water, inside the solution. And then we leave it to, you can leave it overnight, you can leave it for 2 days depending on the size of the crystals you want. So this was been in there for around 2 days. So after 2 days I am removing them. At this point I need to let them again dry for around 2 days, fully dried, before I make the molds out of them. So now these are all dried up, and you can see the crystals have been formed. And now what I'm doing here is I will be taking 2 parts silicone, this is the one. I always use this for making molds. So it's 1:1, and I have mixed according to the instructions, and now I am pouring inside the crystal mold. And after you have poured the silicone you need to let it dry again. So this is the next day, and I am demolding them. Just need to be a little careful so that you don't damage the mold, and you can make more molds out of them. So just carefully removed it. So here it is, and I can still make more. And this is the second mold, and still you can make more molds out of this one as well. And here is a optional one. I have leftover silicone, and I had that aura pendant, and so I poured it inside. and got a mold myself, another one. So this was a quick tutorial, but it was not so quick. It's been days I was making this. If you like the tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up, and also please like, subscribe and share, and take care. Bye bye.